On April 25, 2015, a deadly earthquake struck central Nepal. Thousands died.
I was working in Kathmandu when the earthquake started to shake us. And I saw firsthand how the weak buildings were damaged. But hundreds of school buildings had been retrofitted and strengthened prior to the earthquake, and those buildings survived.
What made the difference? Well, thanks to donor support, Geohazards International initiated work in Nepal long before that earthquake. They partnered with what was then a small organization, the National Society for Earthquake Technology Nepal. They went on to train thousands of local workers to begin to retrofit and strengthen the school buildings in Nepal.
Earthquakes will still happen, but so many people don't have to die. Working together, we can change the outcome. I made a donation to Geohazards International, and I'd love for you to join me.